Basic sentence structure. In Lingala, the structure of sentences is often very similar to English. Some things, though, are a little different. Descriptive words such as adverbs and adjectives are placed after the noun or action they are describing. Notice how this works with the adjectives and some of our vocabularies for this lesson. For example, that table. We have Mwasi Kitoko, meaning beautiful woman. Then woman, beautiful, that is literally meaning. Then Zambe Monene, grammatically it means great God, but literally it means God great or big. Mwana Malam, it's good child, that's grammatically well meant, and child good literally meant. Actually, when we look here, it actually shows that when we are constructing sentences in Lingala, that you should notice that adjectives like Kitoko, Monene, Malamu are placed after the nouns Mwasi, Nzambe, and Mwana. This is the correct grammar for almost every adjective in Lingala. Also, in Lingala there are no words for a, an, or the. So this means the word likambo can mean, when translating into English, thing, a thing, the thing. That is all. Please subscribe to my channel, click the subscription button, and we shall be well. Thank you.